back at it again with a scruffy hair because there's no point doing it because of this bloody wind. So it's going to be freezing in Scarborough today. I've got my bag, my suitcase, whatever you want to bloody call it. I'm going for the bus to go and meet Wolfie. Then we're going to go on the train and go to Scarborough and enjoy our 4 days or holiday. So I'll bring you guys with us. So yeah, see you there. Hey guys, sorry I didn't vlog that much yesterday. We're both here and look at the view, it's great guys. Absolutely amazing. But we're gonna go down, then we're gonna go down to the beach and enjoy some views, and I'll bring you guys along with us. So I'll see you there. We went on a long journey just to find Tesco's. I blame one person. But we found it, but there wasn't anything that we actually wanted from there. So we finally found some trunks for me, but now we're sitting down trying to enjoy the view, and that is right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go down to the beach in a minute. Yeah, that's basically it. That's the unit of the beach. We're on the beach. Yes, we're on the beach. So it's a new day, it's third day. Sorry I didn't vlog that much yesterday. I actually fell ill, but I feel a little bit better today. So anyway, we're going down to get breakfast right now. Where after that we're going, I forgot where we're going.
Well, we've got two options here. We can go to the pool or we can go down to the beach again where all the arcade stuff was and play a few arcade games.
In no specific order, we're going to go down to the pool and go play some mini golf, and I'll bring you guys along with us. Probably in the golf, not the pool. Okay, I'll see you there. Not tap it in. Okay, I'm doing this left-handed now. Okay.
Both got 4 then.
Hey. Oh, that was close. Well then. In you go.
Nope.
Or don't, whatever you want to do. There we go. I need to hit the corner. Oh, that was a nice one. You're supposed to hit the ball, not tap it. Top. I don't know how to count that as 2. Oh, that was close. Mike's favourite one to go over a ramp like this. Usually a hole in the middle of the ramp like, but let you stand sideways on. You need to hit it to the side and all. Hey, there we go.
Are we counting that as 1 or?
Yeah, just one. Hole in one. Oh, bollocks. 3. Should have been the 2, but it got 3. Wrong way. Try and get it in the hole. Yeah, that didn't work. Oh!
I hate you.
Hole in one, yes. Alright, your turn. I got a bit too excited then. I can't even see because of your shadow. There we go. Yay.
3.
So 1 and 3. Got 2 holes to go for. Oh! Oh! I missed that. I don't know. So this is the last hole. We're on 19. Huh? 18. We're on 18. 18. Righto. You know what Matt's gonna end up saying? Show me redoing, that's not fair. Stupid ball. There we go. We're on the Ferris wheel. and I'm scared of heights. This is why I'm singing. So guys, we just got out of the pool. It was actually quite really good. But now we're out of the pool. As you probably can tell, we're outside, we're not in the pool. But we're going down to the Weatherspoons. If you know what Weatherspoons is, then you know what it is. If you don't, then screw you. But it's a pub. We're going down there, get some food, some alcohol, and just enjoy ourselves down there for some tea time. Then we're going to go back to the hotel, probably. We'll see. And then, yeah, basically what the day is going to be, chilled back in, and I'll take a photo of my food, because that's what vloggers do. So I'll see you there, guys. Bye. One last view of the ocean. Well, not last view, but near enough. Third day, nearly finished. We're going back to the hotel. Fun, fun, fun. But this is sort of last day, man. See you guys later. So it's the fourth day, we've woken up, we've come outside, and it's our final day. So we've all packed, we're getting ready, getting food, and later on we're going to go down to the train and go home. Fantastic. You just wave at them.
Yeah, just put me on it.
Dog's really not happy about them. It's time to say goodbye to trees, apparently. That's a great view. Okay, there we go. Okay, here we go. It's time to say goodbye. This isn't Scarborough, but shut up. You're just laughing her head off. Right, we're going home from Scarborough now. We're on a train on his way home. We've had a good time. We've enjoyed ourselves. It's been a nice place to visit. So here we are at the end of the trip. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and enjoy your lovely days.